Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the zipper closely. Look for bent teeth, a loose slider, or torn tape. Once done, gather pliers, a graphite pencil or bar soap, and a sewing needle with thread. First action, realign any misaligned teeth with the tip of the pliers so the slider can seat properly. Then lubricate the teeth lightly with graphite or soap. This reduces friction and helps you test whether the slider still slips instead of closing the fabric. Make sure the area is clean to avoid trapping debris. You now perform the crucial middle work. First, zip slowly to observe where gaps form and whether the slider fails to bring teeth together. If the slider is intact but loose, use pliers to compress the slider wings evenly, very small taps, so it grips teeth again. If the slider is cracked or warped, remove the top stop with pliers. Slide the slider off, fit the new slider onto both rows of teeth, and then refit the stop or crimp a new one so the slider won't come off. You complete the repair by testing the zipper through its full range slowly and confidently. Make sure teeth mesh without gaps. Once satisfied, reinforce the top and bottom stops with a few secure stitches so they hold under stress. Trim any excess tape and replace the pull tab if it interferes. If you still see skipped teeth, reseat those teeth with pliers or consider replacing the damaged zipper section. Tip: if the slider keeps slipping, a slightly tighter crimp or a new slider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.